For decades, official reports have claimed significant disruptions in Canada's illegal drug market. Yet retail prices have remained remarkably stable. What explains this paradox? At its core, supply and demand is an economic model explaining price determination, where price adjusts until quantity demanded equals quantity supplied. In Canada, the drug supply chain is intricate, involving manufacturers, wholesalers, and various government levels, creating a highly regulated mixed economy. Federal agencies like the PMPRB control patented medicine prices, keeping them virtually flat since the early 1990s, limiting increases to the rate of inflation. However, generic drug prices, managed by provinces, have been among the highest globally in some instances, contributing to Canada's overall high drug costs compared to other developed nations. Canada's drug policy has a long history rooted in prohibition, starting with the Opium Act of 1908, which disproportionately affected marginalized communities. Despite shifts towards harm reduction, the Controlled Drugs and Substances Act of 1997 maintained a prohibitionist stance, though recent moves like British Columbia's decriminalization pilot offer new approaches. While legal drug prices are regulated, the illicit market operates under different dynamics, influenced by organized crime, production costs, and trafficking risks. Reports indicate a substantial increase in drug purchases in Canada, reaching approximately $43.5 billion in 2023, a 13.7% rise from the previous year. The toxic drug crisis, with over 50,000 opioid-related overdose deaths since 2016, is exacerbated by an unregulated supply contaminated with potent substances like fentanyl. The Canadian government acknowledges increased domestic drug production and organized crime involvement, with Canada even identified as a methamphetamine exporter. This raises a critical question. Is price a reliable indicator of disruption in the illicit drug market? Or does stability suggest resilience or adaptation within criminal supply chains? What factors contribute to this stability despite law enforcement efforts? Perhaps sophisticated organized crime networks quickly adapt or even deliberately maintain stable prices for consistent demand. Interviews with law enforcement, former dealers, economists, and policy experts could shed light on this disconnect between official disruption claims and observed price stability. Ultimately, this documentary encourages viewers to critically examine conventional wisdom about drug market disruption and consider the complex interplay of economics, policy, and criminal enterprise.